Moving on to some other news now. KKR celebrations in Kolkata has turned into a chaotic affair. Police were forced to lathi charge fans gathered at the Eden Gardens. Rapid Action Force is struggling to control the growing mob and several fans were injured due to a stampede-like situation. Some women fans and children were also injured in the process. The Royal Felicitation fans have been allowed to enter the premises of Eden Gardens for an hour-long program which will see the full team including Shah Rukh Khan being honoured by the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Several other VIPs are also expected to be present, but the massive crowd that gathered at the Eden Gardens is proving to be quite a task, and the officials there being forced to lathi charge. Well, my colleague Akshita joins us with more details on this. Well, Akshita, absolute chaos that can be witnessed there.
Absolutely, Nishita. It was inevitable to a great extent, considering, of course, that the gates were left completely open for anyone who wanted to enter, and considering that the entire team was present there, considering that the likes of Shah Rukh Khan and several other VIPs were expected to arrive, it was but inevitable that a huge number of people would come together, and there's no way Eden Gardens would be able to go ahead and hold such a huge crowd. Keeping that in mind, of course, a stampede of sorts broke out, which is when the police had to be pressed into action. The Rapid Action Force was present there. In fact, there was a huge security deployment, knowing full well that this could happen, and of course they are trying to disperse a huge amount of gathering there. Things are getting consistently more and more violent, is what we understand. As of now, 6 people have also been injured, is what we understand, Nishita. Of course, considering it's a stampede, there's a lot of reports also suggesting that a lot of women and children who were also gathered there have been struggling to get out. In fact, as of now, considering that so many people are there, several of them are trying to make their way out, and that too is becoming seemingly impossible, as the exits have also been completely crowded up with people. So complete chaos out there. Remember, this is for an hour-long program at the Eden Gardens that was in fact arranged by the committee and by the Kolkata Cricket Association. So keeping that in mind, it looks like they were definitely not prepared for something like this. While they did state it was inevitable, it definitely looks like the arrangements weren't in place. It is for an hour-long program, Nishita, and of course we understand that everyone, the who's who of Bengal, was invited for this particular program, and it was but inevitable that this would happen. Nishita, we are awaiting more information about the kind of injuries that some of these people have suffered, but as of now things are not under control yet, so we will have to wait and watch to see if in fact some of those crowds do manage to get out. We have to keep in mind that there are also a lot of young children out there in those crowds, considering of course that they are big KKR fans. They would have wanted to be a part of those celebrations, but it looks like of course we will have to wait and watch to see if the cops will be able to control the situation.
Absolutely, Akshita, and also considering that this event will have a lot of VVIPs, it will practically become difficult for these officials to control the crowd unless they shut the gates or some other such measures are taken up. So is the schedule of this entire program proceeding as per plan? Will it still be held? Will we still see the VVIPs coming to the fore?
Well, Nishita, what we have to keep in mind is that 2 years back, when in fact Kolkata had won their maiden IPL title, we saw a similar situation arise where they had a huge celebration at the Eden Gardens, and once again they'd opened the gates for anyone to enter and be a part of the celebrations. That time too, it was absolute chaos out there. This time around as well, it's the same situation. It looks like they haven't learned any lessons from what happened 2 years back, and that's what it's led to. Once again, Nishita, huge crowds gathering there, and we understand that the team already is present there. They arrived at about 2:30, and Shah Rukh Khan was expected to reach there at 4 p.m. But there's no word on whether, in fact, the celebration will continue. In all likelihood, there will be an inordinate delay in the celebrations. The police will be looking at ensuring that they control the crowd, ensure that everyone is brought under control, and that probably a certain number of people are sent out, so there isn't a huge number of people there, and then we could be looking at some of the VIPs streaming in. As of now, the team team is present there. They have, as you can see, arrived. They arrived at about 2:30, but they are being kept away as of now, considering, of course, that things are absolutely chaotic there and anything could happen. So safety is a priority for not just the players but other VIPs arriving as well. And in all likelihood, we could be looking at the celebrations being maybe pushed by a couple of hours, and the police will be looking at ensuring that they can control that growing crowd there, Nishita.
Right, and also we understand that many of the revelers have been injured in this particular stampede-like situation. Anyone sustaining life-threatening injuries, and what is the kind of medical facilities being provided to them, Akshata?
Well, Nishita, there's no word on the kind of injuries that people have faced, but we do know that 6 people have been injured in all. There's no word on the kind of injuries they've faced, but we have to keep in mind that there's a stampede of sorts within that stadium. A lot of children and women are said to have suffered from suffocation as well. It's almost claustrophobic in there, so people struggling to also get out. So those who are injured also may be stuck in there. There's no word on whether anyone has suffered grievous injuries as well. So definitely the situation is only getting worrisome at this point, Nishita. The police also having a tough time, considering, of course, that they cannot really close the gates because there's a huge number out there. They cannot open the gates because probably in all likelihood we could be seeing more people trying to enter. So it seems like they are in a precarious situation, but they will try to calm the crowd down because once again, to highlight, there are a lot of children as well inside the Eden Gardens present. They're trying to catch a glimpse of their favorite players, of their favorite stars, and things only going from bad to worse at this point, Nishita.
Right, Akshata. Thank you for joining us with all those details.